In this video, I will guide you on how to add photos to My Eyes Only on Snapchat. Launch open Snapchat, make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the memories icon at the bottom of your screen. Once you get here, tap on the My Eyes option. If this is your first time, you will have to set up. So for that, tap on the setup option. Now enter your passcode, create a new one, then confirm your passcode by entering it again. Now you want to check this box and then tap on the continue option. Now tap on finish. Your My Eyes Only has been set up. Now you can simply head over to camera rolls, or you can also go to your saved snaps. Now open the photo you want to hide or tap and hold on it. Now find the option of hide. Go ahead and select that. Now here you want to confirm that you want to add this photo to My Eyes Only. So for that, tap on the move option. Now if you want to delete the original photo, you can tap on the delete option or you can tap on the cancel option. Now tap on the My Eyes Only option, enter your passcode, and you will be able to view your secret photos over here. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.